Hello everyone, this is Patrick Lewis with 0 to 10, and today we're going to talk about adding and removing columns from your views in the Outlook client. So to remove a column, it's relatively simple. All you need to do is move your cursor over the column that you'd like to remove, right-click, and select Remove Column. And as you notice, that column is removed from the display. Now, there's a trick to adding columns, so we're going to walk through that. I go through the same process. I right-click, I choose Add Columns, and I get this list of columns that I can add or remove from my display. The key feature here is that I need to be in the right view to select columns from. So the default in Outlook is Frequently Used Fields. What we want to go to is something called User-Defined Fields in Folder. Once you click on that, what you'll see is that the fields displayed are only the fields that are available within Microsoft Dynamics CRM, and you can move those over as you need to. So in this case, let's find a field called Created By. If I click on Created By, choose Add, Created By is now going to be displayed when I say OK. Now, while I'm in here, I can also remove columns that I don't want to be displayed by highlighting the column, clicking Remove, and I can also change the order. So if I wanted Created By to show up at the beginning, I would click Created By and hit Move up until it got to the top of my display list. And now we'll click on OK. And what you'll see is that Created By has been moved to the front of my list, and then topic, company name, city, status, reason, and categories. So we've removed a field, we've added a field. One other thing you might want to know how to do within a view is how to change the column order without going through that entire process. So using Outlook functionality, I can highlight a column, hold, and move it to the position in the order that I want. And it will stay that way. So that's an easy way to change a column order around. And as you know, you can filter on any of the data that's displayed, any of these columns that are displayed. I can also sort in ascending order by clicking once, descending order by clicking twice. And lastly, I can add my charts that are appropriate to any view to the screen while I'm looking at it. To do that, you come up to Charts, go to your chart pane, and choose where you'd like it to be displayed. I usually choose to the right. When you do that, all of your views or your chart views will be available from there, and you can look at your information in that way as well. Thank you for joining us today for today's quick tips on how to work with views in the Outlook client.